Number 6 is the law of cause and effect, or law of karma. This law is also called as the iron law of the universe, or if you remember the famous quote, you reap what you sow. We can observe this law, even in simple sins. Like if you have work overload, this can destroy your relationships, result to burnout, insomnia, and weight gain or loss. The vibrations that you put out through thoughts, emotions, inactions will have effects on your life and on others. If you did an evil act, you'll reap the results later on, since this law states that the ripple effect may not happen instantly. The case is similar if you did the opposite. It may be hard for us to remember our past actions that led to the results we have now. But this is a rule that you must never ignore, because it can either send you to the heights of success or in the path of mediocrity.